Ladies and gentlemen, get your bags up. We winning. Count it up. Level up.
Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I already told y'all I'm coming every single day this month, okay? We in Vlogtober. So get ready to see me every single day, okay? All right, if you're new here, hey girl, hey. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I take the Columbia unit. There is a unit within my brand. It's out at Beautyy. It's on my website. I'm going to take this unit and I'm going to show you how I bleach it, how I condition it, how I went back and installed it, how I styled it, all that jazz. So if you're interested, go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, so right here I got the unit on the dome head. And what I'm doing right now is just putting a plastic bag over top of that dome head. Because as you can see, I already bleached the dome head already one time. So we're going to cover that up with a plastic bag. And I already prepared my mixture off camera, and what I'm just showing you right here is the consistency. You want kind of like a thick whipped cream. You don't want it so thick that you can't spread it, but you also don't want it so thin that it bleeds through and not only bleach the knots but bleach your hair. Now that we let that sit for a little bit, we're going to take it over to the sink. And right here, you're just going to see me washing that bleach off. Once I got all the bleach off, I'm now going to go in with my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to tone the knots. And you want to make sure you're rubbing that in good, getting it all down deep in that hair. Okay, after I let that sit for maybe like 10-15 minutes, now we're going to go in, we're going to rinse all of that purple shampoo out. TLC 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, and we're going to run that all over this unit. Alright y'all, this is the next day after the unit has time to air dry overnight. Right here, I'm just going ahead and remove the unit that I have on. Alright guys, I got the wig on, and right here you can see I've already cut those side tabs out for the lace, and I'm just adjusting it to my liking. Once I got it placed where I want to put it, I'm going to go in with some of this Got To Be glue spray, and I'm not really putting that much because I am wearing this unit glueless, so it's going to come right back off later tonight. And yeah, if you forget your blow dryer like I did, just take your hand, fan a little bit, it'll go ahead and get a little tacky so you can lay it down. I went back in with some more Got To Be spray just in those areas that it looked like I missed. Next, I'm going in with some of this She Is Bomb toning foam to tint the lace. And this is in the color Sweet Caramel. Now I'm going in with my elastic band to tie that lace down, to melt the lace a little bit and allow that color to dry as well. While we're waiting on that lace to dry a little bit, we're going to go ahead in with nothing but just water to wet the hair. Alright, now that we have the hair saturated, we're going to go in with this Nairobi so we can go ahead and make those curls pop. Right here, I'm just going in with the Y2 comb and detangling the hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic band, and I'm going to go in and fix my part. Right here, I'm going in to cut the lace. And when you cut the lace, you don't want to go in a straight line. You do want to cut it a little zigzag so it looks a little more natural. Alright, and I went ahead and cut the rest of that lace to my liking off camera, and this is what it's looking like. Right here, I'm just looking at it, it's looking a little ashy. So I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that She Is Bomb lace tint. Alright y'all, that's pretty much it. I'm just showing y'all kind of how the length looks, how everything looks. I'm just checking it out. Yeah, girl, you cute. Look at the lace. Where's the lace? It looks good. Look like it's growing out of my scalp. And that is all it is to it. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching. All of the information on this unit will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you know each and every time I upload this month, because that's going to be every day. Okay? Alright, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye!
Natural queen woke up like this. Heels, nails, and simplified kicks. Haters ask how she getting all this. You silly tricks with the flick on my wrist.